In this video, I'm going to be making wooden grips for the Beretta 96. They'll also fit the 92 series. I think wood grips are going to give this piece a little touch of class. These are going to be a little bit more difficult than the 1911s that I did because of the added detail in the back, but I'll get it worked out. I'm thinking about experimenting around with some two-tone wood ideas, maybe even like a cutting board style idea. I have a bunch of small pieces of leftover exotic woods that I might try and glue together. We'll see. I don't know what I'm going to make. Only time will tell. All I do know is let's get going making some grips. And let's go, Brandon.